What happens if you eat spinach every day? Greetings, audience. Prepare yourselves for a sensitive topic we will discuss today: spinach. This leafy vegetable is widely regarded as one of the most dreaded and despised foods globally, not because it poses any risk, but solely due to its unappetizing taste. As a child, it was the type of food you'd avoid at all costs if it appeared on your plate. However, have you ever considered overcoming its flavor and exploring its potential health benefits? In this article, we'll delve into what occurs in your body when you consume spinach daily. Is spinach capable of disease prevention? Can it effectively lower your blood pressure? And hold on a moment, can spinach truly enhance your vision? Additionally, are there any adverse effects associated with consuming spinach? We'll be addressing all these questions and more in our discussion today. 1. Improved eyesight. The exceptional benefits of spinach for eye health often go unnoticed. But how does spinach benefit your eyes? Does consuming spinach daily eliminate the need for glasses? Well, not exactly. Let's discuss carotenoids for a moment. These pigments are responsible for the vibrant colors of many vegetables and are also present in your eyes. When you consume spinach, these compounds strengthen your eyes and protect them from sun damage, particularly vital if you intend to spend long periods outdoors during the summer. Additionally, carotenoids offer other advantages, such as the ability to reverse macular degeneration, a condition that can cause vision to blur and eventually lead to blindness. Despite its peculiar taste, spinach has numerous health benefits that cannot be overlooked. 2. Lowers blood pressure. The benefits of spinach on the body are numerous, but the taste can be an obstacle for some. However, if you can overcome the taste, the effects of spinach on your blood pressure can be incredibly beneficial. So, how does spinach lower blood pressure? The answer lies in nitrates. Nitrates are a group of compounds containing nitrogen and oxygen that help regulate blood pressure and prevent it from escalating. High blood pressure forces the heart to work harder to pump blood, leading to the development of heart disease. In 2015, a study demonstrated that spinach significantly lowers blood pressure levels, improving overall heart health. Although spinach's appearance may not be appetizing, its positive effects on blood pressure and health make it worth considering incorporating into your diet. 3. Lowers oxidative stress. Spinach is a powerful fighter against free radicals, but many people don't understand the harmful effects of these atoms. Free radicals cause damage to cells, which leads to premature aging and a weakened immune system, making you more susceptible to disease. All of this contributes to oxidative stress, which is where spinach comes in. Spinach is loaded with antioxidants that combat free radicals and lower oxidative stress. Studies have shown that people who consume spinach regularly have fewer signs of oxidative stress compared to those who don't. If you want to enhance your overall well-being and look and feel better, it's a good idea to add spinach to your diet. 4. Boosts your brain health. Let's talk about an important benefit of eating spinach that you should definitely pay attention to. It can help your brain function better. As we age, our brains tend to lose some of their capabilities, such as memory loss or difficulty speaking clearly. However, consuming spinach regularly can help combat these effects, thanks to the abundance of anti-inflammatory compounds in this leafy green vegetable. A study conducted over a 5-year period on older adults revealed that those who consumed leafy green vegetables on a daily basis experienced less cognitive decline. In particular, individuals who consumed up to 2 servings of spinach each day had cognitive abilities that were similar to those of someone 11 years younger, indicating that they were much sharper than their peers. 5. Boost in nutrients. Let's take a closer look at the abundance of nutrients present in spinach. 1 cup of chopped spinach has just 7 calories, making it an excellent food to incorporate into your diet without worrying about gaining weight. Additionally, this single cup of spinach contains no fat, cholesterol, or unhealthy carbohydrates. In terms of vitamins and minerals, spinach is a rich source of both vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as a decent amount of potassium, iron, and calcium. However, the most notable nutrient found in spinach is vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in the healing process and may promote stronger bones. If you're wondering how to cook spinach, most people choose to boil or fry it, but experts suggest eating it raw with some healthy fats to preserve the nutrients and carotenoids. 6. Lowers your risk of cancer. Encouraging people to consume more spinach is crucial as it not only promotes brain health and provides essential nutrients but also helps prevent cancer, making it a win-win situation. High levels of antioxidants in spinach have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, as evidenced by various studies. For instance, a 2010 study found that spinach consumption slowed the growth of tumors in a woman's cervix, while a 2007 study showed similar results with prostate cancer. Given these benefits, it is hard to argue against incorporating spinach into your diet. Although spinach does have a few drawbacks, they are relatively minor. Before we delve into them, I must ask, do you require any tips for eliminating pimples? 7. Blood clotting. Spinach has gained a reputation within the scientific community for its significant role in blood clotting due to its high vitamin K content. Vitamin K offers an additional benefit, as it supports the formation of blood clots. However, it's important to understand the concept of blood clotting to determine if it's beneficial or harmful. When a blood vessel is damaged, blood clotting occurs to prevent excessive bleeding. If the body is functioning correctly, various proteins work together to create a clot over the injury. However, blood clotting can interfere with blood-thinning medications, which are sometimes prescribed to facilitate smoother blood flow through veins and arteries. Hence, if you are taking such medications, it is crucial to consult a doctor before consuming spinach, as it may have the opposite effect to what is intended. 8. Kidney stones. Another disadvantage of consuming spinach is its potential link to kidney stones. If you are not familiar with kidney stones, they are solid mineral and salt deposits that form inside the kidneys. Although poor diet choices are typically associated with kidney stones, spinach is also considered one of the lesser-known causes. The most common type of kidney stone is made up of calcium oxalate, which is high in both calcium and oxalate, 2 elements that spinach contains in abundance. Therefore, it is advisable to exercise caution when consuming spinach, particularly if your kidneys are susceptible to such complications, as it could lead to regrettable outcomes in the future. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.